Welcome to our kitchen, where we're about to embark on a culinary journey to create a mouth-watering delight from the Middle East, kunafa. Join us as we unravel the secrets of this exquisite dessert layer by layer. Get ready to indulge in the sweet symphony of flavors that kunafa brings to the table. Let's dive in. Ingredients: 1 package of shredded kunafa dough, also known as kataifi or kadaifi, 1 cup of unsalted butter, melted, 1 cup of ricotta cheese, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, shredded, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of orange blossom water, crushed pistachios or almonds for garnish. Simple syrup, optional for drizzling. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees 75 Celsius and grease a round baking pan generously with butter. In a mixing bowl, gently separate the strands of the kunafa dough, ensuring they are loose and fluffy. Pour the melted butter over the kunafa dough and toss it gently until all the strands are coated evenly. Press half of the kunafa dough into the bottom of the prepared baking pan, forming an even layer. In a separate bowl, combine the ricotta cheese, shredded mozzarella, and sugar, mixing until well combined. Spread the cheese mixture evenly over the layer of kunafa dough in the baking pan. Cover the cheese mixture with the remaining kunafa dough, pressing it down gently to form another even layer. Bake the kunafa in the preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes or until the top is golden brown and crispy. While the kunafa is baking, prepare the sugar syrup by combining the sugar, water, and orange blossom water in a saucepan. Bring to a gentle boil, then simmer for 5 to 7 minutes until slightly thickened. Set aside to cool. Once the kunafa is done baking, remove it from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Drizzle the cooled sugar syrup over the warm kunafa, allowing it to seep into the layers. Sprinkle crushed pistachios or almonds over the top for added crunch and flavor. Serve the kunafa warm, straight from the oven, and enjoy the delectable combination of crispy layers, creamy cheese, and sweet syrup. Congratulations, you've mastered the art of making kunafa, a beloved dessert that's sure to impress your family and friends. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply craving something sweet, this authentic kunafa recipe is guaranteed to delight your taste buds. So go ahead, indulge in a slice of Middle Eastern paradise. You've earned it.